I'm Gwyneth Paltrow.
Hi, I'm Ashley Graham.
I'm Padma Lakshmi.
Tyra Banks here.
Yo, what up, y'all? This is Amine.
What's up, y'all? This is Jack Harlow.
Hi, I'm Emma Chamberlain.
Jackson went from China.
Kaylin Allen.
Tiffany Haddish.
Kylie Jenner.
I am Kate Hudson, and this is everything I eat in a day.
In a day.
In a day.
In a day.
And this is everything I eat in a day.
The first thing I do when I wake up, sadly, is I check my phone.
Check my phone.
Check my phone?
I pee, and then I'll check my phone.
I am a tea drinker, tea all the way.
I don't drink tea. Tea sucks. Anybody who drinks tea is gonna grow old quick.
I am a high caffeine coffee drinker. I can't believe I'm telling you this, but I have 3 to 4 cups a day. Do not judge me. Do not come for me in the comments. It is my life.
You see, I do something very special with my eggs.
If you want some good eggs, you gotta cook your meat first and then you add the eggs, baby. That flavor mixed up together, unlike anything else, okay? Thank me later.
Lately, I've fallen in love with my Vitamix blender, and I've been putting all sorts of fruits and vegetables in it to make a morning smoothie.
Grapes, strawberry, cabbage, orange, apple, sometimes pear. And I put honey and ice and water in the blender, and then I look at the river.
Lately, I've been doing a bagel. I cut the bagel in half, and then I scoop out all that extra bagelization. Lately, I've been waking up, and I make this thing called butter toast, which is where I melt like a stick of butter on a plate, and then I put toast in it, and then turn the toast over, and so the toast is completely saturated in butter. But it's actually incredible. This butter technique is, it's great.
Lunch for me is the neglected meal.
I'm good at dinner, but lunch, I'd be like, well, what the hell am I supposed to eat right now?
I feel like lunch is like a really inefficient thing.
I'm a snacker all day. Snack. I am a snack. I like to...
You making me think about all my snacks. They're so good. You know Smarties, right? Like if you could take Smarties and unravel them, but crush it up and make it squeeze candy.
There's one thing that I can't let go, and I don't think I ever will let go. I will find a way to fit cereal in. I used to watch Boy Meets World, and the brother in that show had this episode where he ate Cocoa Puffs in a big ass bowl like this big. That's who I was inspired by.
I love a good dill pickle. The big ones that they sell in the big jars, and then you get those, right? And you eat the top part off, you take a bite off the top part, and then you put a Now Later or a Jolly Rancher or a peppermint in the middle. Woo! When I tell you, delicious flavors to savor.
I have to have sea salt and vinegar chips in my house, but I'm a weirdo because I only like to eat them when they're folded. When you get a chip that looks more like a taco, yes.
Barbecue Lay's, chili cheese Fritos, extra cheesy goldfish.
It's these chips from Japan, but they from Canada, but they sell them in Japan, and they're maple chips, and they taste like syrup. Whoa.
If I'm not having one of these chocolates or something like that, I'm probably having a glass of something brown.
If I'm feeling the vibe, I don't mind a nice glass of, whiskey or bourbon.
If it's one of them real rough days, I'm like, oh Lord, I don't even want to think about nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and get the agave. That's why I call it agave, because I'm vegan, so I'm like, tequila, just agave. I'm gonna just drink a little agave. Tequila is vegan, it's agave.
If I'm hungover, which does happen occasionally, although kind of very occasionally at this point, because A, I'm too old to not hold my liquor, and B, I'm too old to have a hangover. Then I try to eat something like, like an egg sandwich or something that will sort of help me through it. You can always get an IV too. That's a very good hangover trick.
Do you ever eat fruits and vegetables?
I never ate it. No.
Even if someone makes you?
Who gonna make me do it?
I don't know, like a doctor?
Stop it. You crazy.
I actually dislike vegetables pointedly, but they're important to eat. It's just vile. It's like broccoli. What the
I don't like nuts and chocolate bars.
I don't like ice cream.
I hate avocados. Avocados are trash. Avocado toast is absolutely disgusting to me.
It's actually disgusting. I don't know how anyone eats it.
So dinner.
If dinner's on the table later than 6, we're all f***ed.
I will eat noodles every single day for dinner. Without fail. You can fact check me on it, because I will do it. If you opened me up, you would just see noodles. I'm dead serious.
I don't cook, so I'm kind of at the mercy of whoever's around me to cook for me. But my husband, oh, God bless Justin, because he can cook. Woo, woo.
I'm really into this weird recipe I made called Sludge. It's like you take couscous, you make the couscous, you take, actually I shouldn't say this because it's kind of gross.
Say it, I want to know.
You take like a ton of veganese, a ton of sriracha, and you just make this sludge, like this couscous sludge that's like spicy. It's like weirdly good.
I have quite a few different kind of comfort meals.
I love French fries, which is a well-known fact. French fries are sort of my favorite meal. Not that they're a meal, they're technically a side.
I want to say In-N-Out. Either I'll always do a double cheeseburger with just special sauce and grilled onions. I'll either get it protein style or not, depending on the mood. Fries, well done, and a Coke.
Food is so much like sex to me. And you can tell how healthy my relationship with sex must be. I'm telling you, it's so regretful sometimes.
Again, could go on all day about this. I've been waiting my whole life to be on this show. You guys don't understand. And that's why I just keep talking. Anyway.
That is everything that I eat in a day.
And that's everything I eat in a day.
And that's everything I eat in a day.
That's that good life. That's that good. Don't get me started on food. Ooh.
I forgot we was filming. This is Harper Bazaar. That was so unclassy. What? Okay, no. Okay, anyway, back to what I was saying. So,